My gift. Give me my gift. Yes. What is it? Is it something nasty? It's a sheep. It's not working? Can you say good morning? You want me to do it? You gotta do it. Come on, you can do it. Look. Yay. Last one. Can you do it? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, Ada Baden. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh man. Oh man. You did it. Why are you fussing? What's wrong? You just upset? Good afternoon, guys. As you can finally see, I got her to stop being a fussy bear, but I'm laying in bed, so a million other things I could be doing, but I'm laying in bed and she's not fussing, and we're chomping on some chicken. Are you eating chicken? No. It is nice to lay down. Alana went with Aunt Nays this morning because they went to go get pictures taken. And Ava is watching Dumbo, which I thought was so cool to watch the classics. I love Dumbo. She has to watch the elephant, and I thought she was talking about Ella. I don't know if any of your kids, do your kids watch that show? It's like, I got an idea, I got something to share. Something is in my head. I don't know. My name is Ella. Ella, is that how it goes? No, that's not how it goes. Yeah, it is how it goes. So she didn't. She wanted to watch Dumbo, and I actually have been tweeting on Twitter. So I want to say I am like Ava's mom on Twitter. I have my links below, and I'm trying to get better at Twitter. I know that that's a good way to communicate with my subscribers and, you know, gain new subscribers. So if you are on Twitter, definitely follow us and say hello so I can talk to you. Because at first I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but I'm learning. And it's fun. Today, I was so excited. Sam Sherman from the Sherman Show tweeted me back. Isn't it? She's like a big YouTuber, so for her to actually tweet back, and like I said something else, and she commented back again. That was pretty awesome. Hello. I love say yay! Oh, Aiden Cam, say hey guys. Hey. Oh, she's vlogging. Go, Bubby. She got it up in the air. Everything. Say hey guys. Yay. Oh, she's okay. 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 Did you see her vlogging? You're vlogging. I see a gift. What's in the gift? Ava, go get mommy's gift. You got a gift, Mom? Get my gift. Get my gift. Get my gift. About 5 years.
It was hard sometimes, but you know, it was worth it.
It was hard.
I don't want to be with nobody else, so you know. It was normal. Like sometimes we have rough times, it's not always peachy. Obviously, like you and love you. Sure.
Yes. What is it? Is it something nasty? Oh, I didn't think so. This is a box.
Oh, he got me the veggie thing. I'm so excited. I said I wanted it from Walmart. Yay! I got the veggie bowls. And I got a card. Let's seal.
I got a card.
Always on our anniversary. Oh, fussing or discussing, driving around, whether we're chilling or having a lot beside you. Love Buddha. Oh, isn't that nice?
This is how the parents
or had lots to do. There's no one.
My anniversary! Yay!
To eat. We want Fatty McGee's.
Five Guys.
And we got, oh, they don't say Five Guys on it. We got Five Guys. Really unhealthy, but very delicious. And we're gonna watch a movie.
A night.
What else you gonna say?
In my teeth.
Here, you vlog.
Okay.
Okay, you can say whatever you wanna say.
I have my teeth. Let me say, let me count my teeth.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me count my teeth.
Oh, show them. Show the camera your teeth. Oh, that's nice teeth.